Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to the autumn season. As you can see, I'm not in my regular background setup. I'm not at home. I'm actually in Italy, Verona to be exact, and I'm here for the next 3 weeks. The content's going to be a lot of travel vlogs. I hope that's okay with you guys. But in today's video, I wanted to share some bits that I have packed for autumn here in Italy. So the first item is the top that I am currently wearing. It is a beautiful cable knit jumper, and in this lovely burgundy color. You can see the beautiful gold stud detailing. I think it's absolutely lovely. And what I do like about this jumper is that it is crop sleeve, so it's perfect for more of a warmer autumn season. Going for more of a capped short sleeve I think is going to be great. This color is the color of the season. It's definitely made its mark in 2024 and I love this, and it was only from H&M. The next item I wanted to talk to you guys about are items from Lipsy. So these items have been kindly gifted by Lipsy, and I just wanted to give them a little shout out because they're absolutely gorgeous, definitely on trend, something that I can wear in Italy during autumn. First of which is this beautiful faux suede dress. Now suede is again something huge this autumn winter. If you haven't seen my autumn winter trend report, definitely check out that video and then come back to this one to watch it. I'm planning on wearing this like going sightseeing because it does have a shorter sleeve. So this comes to a really lovely length. I love the length of the sleeve as well. It comes up to your elbow, so you have that coverage, but it's not a full-on sleeve, so you don't feel like you're too hot and bothered. This fabric as well is really nice because it's not real suede. It's not very heavy. This is light to wear, and I just love this color. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It does have a belt to nip you in, and I also like the detailing of the belt, which is really nice. So it's a great dress to wear. You're going to be on trend. It's light enough to wear in the more warmer autumn season. Cannot wait to style this up. The next item is this beautiful shirt. It's in that gorgeous signature burgundy color. I love the print of this. This for me is definitely giving Euro autumn break, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's light enough as well, so if you're in a warmer climate you can wear this. I'm definitely planning on wearing this styled with maybe a faux leather skirt. You could tuck this into trousers, to jeans as well, have it tucked in or out, but I really like the look of this because it's giving me beautiful autumn vibes. The next item I have is this lovely shirt. So in one of the trend reports is the whole Western cowgirl feel is definitely in this autumn winter, and this shirt is giving me that sort of cowgirl Western vibe because of the embroidery on the shirt as well and the collar detail. This with denim, style it with cowboy boots and a nice suede bag, is gonna be perfect for this season, and I absolutely love it. It is quite sheer, so I do recommend wearing maybe a nude vest underneath it just to give you that added bit of warmth. But you could also layer this, have this underneath, maybe put a knitted vest over it, like a sleeveless vest or a blazer, or potentially a sleeveless blazer, and it's gonna be really nice. Or maybe with your favorite suede jacket and accessories. I think this is going to be so nice. I saw this shirt and I thought this is definitely giving me the Western cowgirl theme. And I'll just show you up close the detailing of the shirt. It's so pretty and delicate. This is just so gorgeous. So yeah, and this is like the detailing along the front of the shirt, the embroidery. It's just absolutely stunning. So I was telling you that I'm on the hunt for burgundy heels, and Lipsy have a pair. It is perfect because it also has a little kitten heel, and they are slim backs. They are just the perfect shade of like a cherry burgundy color. Really affordable as well. Everything that I've seen were over £100, and I believe these ones from Lipsy are around the £40 mark. So if you're on the hunt for a nice burgundy kitten heel, then definitely check out Lipsy, and I'll leave these ones that I'm wearing linked down below. The next items that I wanted to share that I have packed are items from Katie Loxton. I'm definitely in my glow up era, and I want to glow up my everyday pieces, one of which is my travel bag, The old one that I have is I just bought from TikTok shop. It's the one that everybody has, and yes, it's nice and practical, but it's not chic and lovely, and I'm all about elevating everything in my wardrobe. So I was kindly sent this bag from Katie Loxton. This is their Milan cabin bag. I love the quality of this. I got it in this navy blue color because I just think when you are traveling, you're definitely going to be throwing this bag around, and this color will definitely hide a lot of marks, dirt marks, a lot of spills potentially. So I wanted something in a dark color, but I didn't want black, so I went for the navy. It's massive inside. The zip opens up really far out, so you can really fit a lot of things in them. This has been approved as well for your more budget friendly flights, so think of your EasyJet, your Ryanair, where you can only take a small cabin bag. Rest assured that this will fit. I did also added this little luggage tag that I got from Katie Loxton, just to give it a touch of femininity, and I love the charm on it. And on the back it says, "A beautiful day starts with a beautiful mindset," and I thought that was just a really lovely little slogan. And then I just got my initials embossed on the front. You can also get this bag customized as well. One of the things I do love about Katie Loxton is that everything can be personalized, and the shipping is really fast as well. Usually when you get something personalized, you're waiting weeks. Well, this is only a couple of days before your item is shipped. So I'll show you some other pieces that I got that are personalized. Another great feature of this bag is, yes, you get the short handle, but you do get the long body strap. It's got that nice little sheen onto it. And the best upon best thing is, if you are traveling and you can take a suitcase with you, this has the sliding compartment. Well, it's a sliding feature, so you can unzip it here and you can slide this on the back of your suitcase, or you can have it done up and it's just an extra pocket, so you can keep your boarding pass, your passport, everything that you need quick access to, you can leave in this pocket. Or you just unzip it and then you can slide in your suitcase there, so your bag doesn't fall around, which is something that always happens to me. And it's just a very easy zip for a pocket, and then unzip if you want to put it on your suitcase. If you guys are doing a lot of city breaks this autumn winter and you want to elevate your hand luggage, then definitely check out Katie Loxton. So like I said, this is the Milan cabin bag that I got here, but they have other ones, and they also do suitcases if you want to be bougie and have a personalized suitcase. Next up is this cosmetics case in this beautiful red color. It's just absolutely exquisite, and this style of bag always sells out at Katie Loxton. It's one of their best selling. I did get my, this isn't embossed, this is actually embroidered on with my initials on. And this bag, this is the medium size, but when you open it up, it is huge. I've just got a few pieces in there now, but I love that it just opens out like this. You can really rummage through, get your makeup out, all your toiletries. It has little pockets as well, little compartments that you can pop little things in, and then a middle compartment as well, so you can really keep things organized. I just love that it's also a wipe clean inside, so if you have any spills inside the bag, you could just wipe it and it will come off. And I love the top handle as well. This color is new for the autumn winter for Katie Loxton, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's this like crimson red. It's so lovely. It's giving me very festive vibes, and I just love it, and I had to bring it on this trip with me. Last but by no means least, if you're a girl who loves to take her photos, who loves to be hands-free also, but also chic and elegant, then this crossbody phone pouch is what you need. On the back, you also have compartments for your cards or tickets or whatever that you might need. You can even slide in a lip gloss in there if you want. You've got 3 compartments, and then on the front you can fit your phone. I actually don't have my phone. Let me grab my phone. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and it has a case on it, and this fits with room to spare. I'm not sure if it probably will fit a plus. I'm sure it's designed to fit all phone sizes, but you do have some room in there. I can actually fit my phone and my passport in this, so this is great for airport travel if you need everything next to you and you want to be extra safe. And I just love white stitching against this black faux leather, and I did get my initials embossed on it because I just thought it's just why not? It's so lovely, and it has a really lovely strap. So this, I mean, if I had this on, you would not think that I have a phone holder attached to me. So I just think it looks really nice. It's great for going around. I mean, I'm always taking photos, and especially now in Italy, I'm going to be on my phone 24/7 taking pictures of architecture and nature and my food. So having my phone next to me is an absolute must, and I love this. So yeah, this also comes in, I think, in like a mocha color and then like a caramel tan color. Don't quote me, but I just love the black because I love the contrast of the stitch with the black. I just think it looks so chic and nice, and I went for this one. So yeah, that is everything for now that I have packed on this autumn Euro trip. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what other videos you want me to create while I'm here in Italy, but don't worry, the travel vlogs are coming your way. So subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my videos. If you want to see more of me, then come over to my Instagram and my TikTok, which is my name. I'll have it written down on the screen, but I'll be posting on there daily. So if you want to see me more daily, outfits and stuff like that, then come over to my TikTok and my Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.